Remove the motor clips. Remove the taillight clip. Remove the grip tape and deck. Disconnect the battery from the ESC, then disconnect the ESC from the taillight before removing the battery. When removing the battery, gently pry up the edge of the battery pack first. Remove the retaining clips for the waterproof silicone port. Remove the ESC mounting screws. Carefully remove the antenna, gently pry up the ESC, and disconnect the ESC from the switch and taillight. Install the new thermal pad and ESC. Reinstall and secure the waterproof silicone port. When mounting the ESC onto the heat sink, support the ESC by hand first while securing it. Reinstall the antenna and battery. When reinstalling the deck, hold the nut in place by hand and loosely attach the screws first. Do not fully tighten them initially. Finally, hold the nut with an open-end wrench and tighten the screws securely. Ensure the motor and ESC connectors are fully connected with minimal visible gap. After installation, adjust the motor wire routing and keep the wires away from the motors.